If you want to add your weather widget to your home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A56, first of all, open up your home screen. Now hold your finger on it and choose widgets right here at the bottom. Now scroll down to your weather, and here you can choose any weather widget, or you can choose a weather widget with clock. For example, I'll choose this one and press add. Now you can resize it if you're gonna drag your handle, and also if you're gonna tap on it, it's gonna detect your location. Maybe sometimes if you're doing it for the first time, you'll need to give the necessary permissions. You will see the full forecast, right? If you're gonna hold your finger on it, you can resize it, make it smaller or bigger, or once again, if you're gonna hold your finger on it, you can summon settings where you can change your location, show daily forecast or hourly forecast, choose whether you want to see or you don't want to see a background, and choose the background color, so automatic font settings, light or dark. Press save when you are satisfied, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.